Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the SD card reader to your iPhone. Choose Lightning or USB-C depending on your model. Once connected, unlock the iPhone and grant Files app permission if prompted, because iOS needs explicit access to external storage. Make sure the SD card is formatted FAT32 or XFAT so the phone can read it. Reformat on a computer if necessary. If the reader has external power, plug it in now to avoid intermittent disconnects. This gets you into the Files app quickly and reliably. You now navigate to Files, then browse to tap the external drive. This shows folders and media. Once there, press Select to choose multiple items, then copy or move to place files into on my iPhone or an iCloud folder. This preserves originals on the SD if you copy. Use long press to duplicate or create folder to organize. Previews let you confirm photos or videos before moving. If importing large video, make sure battery or external power remains stable, because interruptions can corrupt transfers. To finish, close the Files app, then physically disconnect the SD reader. Don't yank it out mid-transfer because you risk data loss. If the drive isn't visible, reconnect and inspect the adapter. Make sure the reader is compatible and powered. Reboot the iPhone or try the SD in another device to isolate the problem. If files appear corrupted, run a recovery utility on a computer and avoid writing new data to the card. These steps resolve most common issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.